Hey! Hi everyone, this is Alan with the R6 here. If you watch my previous video with the indicator upgrade on my R6, LED indicator upgrade, I've asked yourselves if you can give me some help in relation to my fast flashing indicators. Now, thank you Big Lad Biking for help and for your guidance. So I found out is the issue is called hyper flashing, and that is caused by the original relay, the original indicator relay, doesn't support LED indicators, so that will cause to flash too fast. And gone on eBay, as I said, thank you Big Lad Biking for your guidance, and I bought an LED indicator relay. Now in this video I will show you where it is, how to replace it, and what it does. Hopefully works. Just a quick one. I will show you now how my indicators are doing at the moment. So we'll grab the key, put the key in ignition, turn it on, and as soon as it indicates, as you can see, my indicators are going crazy. Yeah, they are going like literally crazy. Even if I put it on hazards, literally it's going nuts. Okay, so with this situation, you can't even have an MOT because that will just fail. It's an MOT failure. I'm going to show you where the relay is, how to do it. So we're going to grab our tools. You always should have tools with you. We need to remove this back seat, and then we need to remove the front seat as well. So the indicator relay is right next to the ECU under the seat. So this is what I've got under my back seat, so it's quite busy to be fair, but I've got lots of things in there. I've got the miniature toolkit here. It's very good to have one of these if you've got the space. First aid kit, torch, the original tools, and I do have this chain oiler, and also I've got a power commander in there, but we'll go through that maybe into another episode. Okay, so we need an Allen key, not that one. Try this one. Hard to do it with one hand. Okay, that's the one, right, okay. So basically you undo those two bolts and remove the seat, and now we've just grab the seat and pull it out. Now you can see under the seat, so there you got the battery, you got some fuses, you got the ECU, some wiring, and the relay is just that one there. Now from eBay we've ordered a relay. Yeah, don't drop it guys. So yeah, what's that? Wow, is that it? Yeah. Okay. No instructions or anything else. Well, I suppose it's a plug and play job. This, I will put the link below. This company is quite useful. It's UK based. If you guys are based in UK as well, this, it says in here 48-hour Royal Mail delivery. I've only ordered it yesterday and it arrived today. Okay, well that's about it. A little thing. Okay, so it is a Yamaha firm 1 LED equalizer, red 12 volt in black out, 0.05 amps to 10 amps. I will try first of all to unplug it, plug it in without removing anything, just to see if it works, and then we'll do the proper installation. So it's a bit fiddly around here. No, it's actually not. It's quite easy to remove. It's literally a plug. Right, so we're going to take this one, we're going to plug it in. Let me see. if I can show you. So that is the plug. It's got 2 pins in there. The new one has got 2 as well. So let's see if we can fit it in. Take the plug. Oh yes, look at that. So we're going to leave it loose like that for the time being. Grab the key back, put the key in ignition, and try the indicators. Oh hey! Look at that! Now it works as it should. Brilliant! Brilliant! I'm really happy with that. Let's try the other side. Yes! Yes! And has it? Brilliant! Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. Really bright as well. Lovely. Right, so that was the installation of the new relay. Now what we're going to do is going to take the old relay out and put the new one in there, nice and neat. Right, so let me show you guys what I've done. If you can see this little hook point, that used to hook on the old relay up here with the little rubber. Taking the little rubber thing, we put it on the new relay and hooked it up so that it won't go absolutely anywhere. Perfect. The wire's nice in there, nice and snug. Cool, brilliant. Now what we need to do is put the seat back together, and yeah, the installation process is done. So the old hyper flashing issue is now sorted, and we have a all working order R6. That was my hyper flashing issue sorted on my R6. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give me some thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget that little bell. Ride safe and ride with me. Thank you.